Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hi kids! Welcome to our fun farm adventure. Today, we're going to meet some farm animals and learn the sounds they make. Let's go! Look, there's a cow. Cows say moo, moo. Can you moo like a cow? Next, we have a chicken. Chickens say cluck, cluck. Let's cluck like a chicken. Here's a pig. Pigs say oink, oink. Can you oink like a pig? Look at the sheep. Sheep say baa, baa. Let's baa like a sheep. Here comes a horse. Horses say neigh, neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Meet the duck. Ducks say quack, quack. Let's quack like a duck. Here's a goat. Goats say ma, ma. Can you ma like a goat? Look at the rooster. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's crow like a rooster. Here's a donkey. Donkeys say hee-haw, hee-haw. Can you bray like a donkey? Meet the turkey. Turkeys say gobble, gobble. Let's gobble like a turkey. Wasn't that fun? Now you know the sounds of 10 different farm animals. Thanks for joining our farm adventure. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.